Alright guys, so I got a care package in from Babyless. Guys, this is a new custom FX set. There are a few changes that are coming out soon. I'm going to walk you guys through them. Super excited about it, and I think you guys will dig it as well. I'm going to walk you guys through the whole box and everything that comes with it in case you've never seen a custom FX before. So the little card says, congratulations on receiving your handcrafted Babyless Pro Custom FX, uniquely designed by you. Enjoy the world famous power, beautiful ergonomic design, and cutting performance of advanced blade technology. Got a couple custom FX stickers in here as well. You guys saw the free hair grippers at the beginning too. I don't know if they always throw those in, but they hooked me up with some. Guys, these are custom docks that are going to be available. You can actually build the dock to match your clippers and charge them on this dock. And here's the clippers, guys. We'll go ahead and read the back of the box if you've never seen them before. So you can see blade of choice. You guys can put any blade on the clipper or trimmer, taper blade, fade blade, deep tooth, DLC. The trimmer has a 360-degree exposed T-blade that's going to let you get closer on the mustache. The clipper does have the 5 notches on the taper control lever. Both of them have a high torque brushless motor, 7200 RPMs. Both have an all-metal housing, lithium-ion battery with a 2-hour runtime. You can use them corded or cordless with dual voltage, and they do have the hooks to hang them on the bottom. And here's the clipper and the trimmer, guys. You're gonna notice right away the rubber grips. We'll talk about that later, but you guys know I had to get it murdered out. If they had Tomb45 green or Klutch yellow, maybe I would have added some of that, but we went with the murdered out. So let's go ahead and get them out of the box and check them out. Alright guys, so here's the clipper, basically the same as what I had before. It does have the rubber grip, as you guys can see. Of course, I went with the taper blade, and this is the all black murdered out Darth Vader version. You guys see these are super tough. The rubber grip is going to be super tough. It is on the Patty Cuts trimmer, the Frank the Barber Los Cut It trimmer, so if you've used the trimmer, you know how nice it is to have, but they have just added it as an option on the clipper. And on the trimmer, guys, it is basically the same as the Patty Cuts. It does have the rubber grip, obviously murdered out as well. And guys, just as expected, I went with the fine tooth graphite blade that you guys know that I like to use. And there you guys can see them charging on the docks. Like I said, you will be able to customize the dock. So say you had a blue and pink clipper, you could make the dock blue and pink as well. Obviously, guys, we got it all murdered out to match the station. The poor X-Ergo back there with the green lid is the only green I have on the station, so we might have to do a custom black lid for that. Alright guys, so that is it for the unboxing on these custom FXs. Man, you guys can see these rubber grips are super sweet. When Dennis messaged me and said all black with the rubber grips, I kind of assumed that was just gonna be the trimmer, because obviously we know that the rubber grips are already out for the trimmer. But I was definitely surprised when the clipper had the grip on it as well. So guys, these are new options on the Custom FX app. So if you guys want to go build your Custom FX, you will be able to add the rubber grips. I'm not sure if you can change the color. I did see on Dennis's story that it said 6 colors available. So I'm not sure if that's talking about the whole clipper. I know for the Custom FX clipper, they have a lot more than 6 options. So I think maybe they're talking about the rubber grips. You guys can customize the clipper just like before and also add these rubber grips. And you guys know these things are fire, man. I'm super excited to use them. Also guys, and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to tell you this, but the new Custom FX clipper does have an upgraded motor. I don't know much about it. I just know it is new and improved. And I'm supposed to be testing out if it feels more powerful and better. So guys, I have not cut hair with these yet. So let's hop into this haircut and see how they work out. Alright guys, I got my man Cuts by Coast in the chair. We're going to do a little mid fade. If you guys want to see this haircut as a tutorial, I will be dropping it soon. But guys, the clippers cut like butter. You know, they're brand new, so they should feel brand new. But I've been using my old black FX for a while, and this definitely felt like an improvement. I actually turned them on together, and it does run a little bit faster. You can hear it. You can hear the motor running. So guys, the rubber grips will go live in about 2 weeks is what Dennis told me. And the motor, he's looking around March or April. So stay tuned for that option. You will get that in March or April. So you guys can see cutting super smooth. I haven't really been using my FX clipper for a while, but you guys know that was my go-to for quite a while if you watch the channel. And you guys see here the trimmer, basically same setup as my Patty Cuts with the fine tooth blade, and that thing's smacking. So I'm definitely happy with the clipper and the trimmer. You guys know basically already what I was using, but the rubber grips are a nice add-on. And of course with the custom app, guys, you can build the trimmer and clipper however you want with the blades that you want. So nice setup and addition to the station. Alright guys, that was the haircut. If you guys want to build your own custom FX, go to the App Store and download the Custom FX app. And you guys can actually use code Seancutshair to save 10% on your entire order. It does work for the Custom FX app. It also works on anything on the Babyliss website. So if you guys want to order any Babyliss products, definitely make sure to use Seancutshair and save 10%. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have one more surprise. Before we go, guys, I want to tell you I'm working on a super big giveaway. I have so many dang clippers right now that I'm gonna push. When we hit 50K, guys, we're at like 35K right now. When we hit 50K, I'm gonna give away an entire clipper, trimmer, shaver, power mat, entire barber kit bundle. So guys, I'm gonna give away my actual clippers. We will do the custom FX that I have, the black FX. I'm gonna give away the Beast Mode Senior, the Patty Cut Skeleton, and I don't even know what else yet. So if you guys wanna get in on that, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you guys will know when I drop this contest. And like I said, guys, when we get to 50K, I'm gonna give away a crazy package. So be on the lookout for that. I will have more details about it soon, but this is already some of the goodies that you guys can win. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know what to do. Smash that thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what else you would like to see in the giveaway. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got some dope haircut tutorials coming up soon, and I got some more heat, some more tools that came in you guys are gonna be excited to see. So, guys, I almost forgot to mention, I will be at Fort Worth Barber Supply February 20th with Get Beam and Yo Fonz. If you guys have been looking to take a class with me, we will be down there breaking down hair cutting, color enhancement, social media, YouTube. You guys know what we do. So I would love to see you guys there. And then right after that, the next weekend, guys, I will be in Concord, California at Urban Barber College doing a look and learn as well. So you guys need to grab tickets to that. I would love to see you guys and teach you guys in person. We will also do Q&A at each of those where you guys can really get your questions answered and gain some valuable knowledge. Also, if those aren't in your area and you guys are looking to have me out for a class, there will be details coming soon on how you guys can book me for a class. We're looking to do a tour and find different shops that could host classes, maybe even hands-on courses, guys. So if you think your shop and your area would support a decent class, I will have details soon on how you can book that. So anyway, guys, that's it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you next time.